Hey YouTube, it's Vic with High Desert Man, and today let's talk a little bit about history. So, history. The area we live in is called Pleasant Valley, and if you do a little bit of research online about the Arizona Pleasant Valley War, um, it's pretty amazing. Basically, it was a cattle feud, just homesteaders going at each other. I think it had to do with sheep and cattle, if I remember correctly. It's been a while since I've read the story. Anyways, I bring it up because the area itself is an old ranching community. There's several ranches that have been here for many generations, and there's old barns and old homesteads all over. The house I live in is actually one of the original homesteads from the area. And one of the things that I like about this history is the barns. I think I've shown you guys some pictures of my barn. My barn's over 100 years old, and I recently just turned one side of it into the lab for research and development and stuff, but I wanted to keep the integrity of that history of that original barn. So we had to work within those confines. Anyways, the barns typically they either age like mine has, and mine's actually very rare. There's not very many around here that have aged like mine has. My barn is beautiful. The wood looks amazing because of the way it has aged. But a lot of the barns end up falling apart. They get weathered, and or in some cases they stay standing. They built stuff back then, just amazing. That these barns can be the kind of construction that they are and stand for 100 years in the weather and the wind. We get a lot of wind, as you can tell out here and stuff. It's just a testament to the building that they used to do. But a lot of these barns get to the point where they either collapse because they're so old, or they get taken down to be replaced with something more modern. So that brings me to a new product that we're releasing. It's a limited edition product, and by limited I mean until I run out of materials. But basically, I've partnered up with a company, a buddy of mine here in town, called Pitchfork Unlimited, and they're taking a lot of this old barn wood and some juniper wood and stuff, and planing it down. We're reclaiming it, repurposing it for these beautiful boxes that are going to be High Desert Man kits. So here's an example of an idea I have for the kit: bottle of shampoo, our oil, a balm, and one of our new brushes, something like that. Every box is different, of course. They each have their own unique character and qualities and stuff. On the back is the Pitchfork Unlimited brand. And like I said, so the bottom piece of wood is reclaimed wood from these old barns and stuff. And then the wood that goes around the outside, in most cases, is juniper. Juniper that's been, you can actually tell it's been milled out. So let me back up a little bit. A lot of the places built here, the old places, the old homesteads and stuff, were they went out, they got the wood, they milled it. There used to be a couple mills here in town. We still got a couple guys that do some milling and stuff. And so the wood would be milled, and then they would use it for whatever. In this case, this milled juniper, we've got the outside of the tree still. You can see that this one's actually not as good of an example. This here you can see, it still has a knot in it. We've got these little worm trails. There's these, they're not really worms, they're beetles that burrow into the wood and stuff. And it leaves a real cool pattern in the underneath the bark and stuff. So we take the bark off and all that and clean these up. And my buddy at Pitchfork Unlimited makes these boxes for us. And so these kits are going to be available for as long as we have material. We've got quite a bit of material right now, and we're making these boxes up as we go. Either that, or if they don't sell well, then I'll try to move them some other way. But at any rate, this is a little piece of history from our home to you guys. This is something that we feel no other company is going to do or can do. Certainly, not a lot of people are going to be able to bring a product like this with this kind of history to you. So we hope that you guys enjoy it. Again, we're trying to stay true and authentic to our area and to the High Desert Man story, and sharing that with you guys. We hope you like these products, and we hope that you'll like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. We've got it all covered. And the website, highdesertman.com. New website is launching on Wednesday, April 11th. We'll talk to you soon.